Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use an Eliminator jump starter. First, prioritize safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves. Make sure your vehicle's ignition is completely off and the parking brake is firmly set. Before connecting, always confirm your jump starter is adequately charged. A full charge ensures optimal performance and safety. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth and secure jump-starting experience, protecting both you and your vehicle. Now, let's connect the jump starter. Take the red, positive clamp and securely attach it to your vehicle's positive battery terminal, which is usually marked with a plus sign. Next, connect the black, negative clamp to a clean, unpainted metal surface on the engine block, away from the battery itself. This creates a safe ground. Always ensure both clamps are firmly in place to avoid any sparks or loose connections during the process. With the connections secure, it's time to start your vehicle. Turn on the Eliminator jump starter, then try to start your car for a maximum of 5 seconds. If it doesn't immediately turn over, wait for about 60 seconds before attempting another start, allowing the jump starter to cool. Once your engine is running, promptly remove the black negative clamp first, followed by the red positive clamp to complete the process safely. To ensure your Eliminator jump starter is always ready, proper maintenance is key. After each use, fully recharge the unit. This preserves its internal battery life. Store it in a cool, dry environment, ideally between 32 and 77 degrees Fahrenheit, away from direct sunlight or extreme temperatures. Even when not in use, check its charge every 3 to 6 months and top it off. This routine keeps your jump starter reliable for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.